RollWalk ERW3, the electric skates that make commuting fun again. Tired of crowded buses or long walks to work? Meet the RollWalk ERW3, a sleek set of electric skates from a tech-savvy team in Hong Kong that transforms your daily commute into something fast, fun, and surprisingly efficient. Dubbed your mini personal electric vehicle, these skates offer a compact and portable alternative to traditional transport. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or just exploring the city, RollWalk brings speed and freedom to every step, or rather, every glide. Designed for comfort and control, the ERW3 makes skating easy and intuitive, even for beginners. Simply strap them on, power up, and roll. The skates are powered individually, meaning you don't need to push. Just lean forward to move and lean back to slow down. They're compact enough to carry in a bag and light enough to wear without bulk, making them ideal for last-mile travel and quick urban hops. Plus, they're way more fun than standing still in traffic. With RollWalk, your commute becomes more than a routine. It becomes a ride you actually look forward to. Whether you're heading across campus, down city blocks, or just cruising for fun, the ERW3 electric skates let you glide through your day with ease. Modern mobility just got a whole lot cooler and a lot more fun. Torch Ring, the LED flashlight you wear like a ring. Whether you're jogging at dawn, running after dark, or walking the dog on a foggy evening, the Torch Ring offers a brilliantly simple solution: light you can wear. Designed in Japan with early risers and night owls in mind, this wearable LED flashlight slips right onto your finger like a ring. No need to fumble with handheld flashlights or strap on bulky gear. Just wear it and go. With a brightness of 350 lumens, the torch ring cuts through darkness with ease, providing a clear, focused beam that lights your path and keeps you visible in low-light conditions. It's perfect for outdoor runners, commuters, cyclists, or anyone who values safety on the move. Rain, fog, or shine, this tiny powerhouse is built to handle any weather. Its compact, ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended wear, while freeing up your hands for movement, balance, or carrying items. The makers put it simply: just wear it on your finger. That's it. Minimalist yet powerful, the Torch Ring combines everyday practicality with modern convenience. It's the kind of gear you don't realize you needed until you try it, and once you do, it's hard to imagine going without it. For those who move through the world on their own schedule, the Torch Ring delivers visibility, confidence, and safety, all in one smart, finger-sized light. BlackBurn Tradesman, the cyclist's pocket-sized problem solver. Why hasn't anyone made a multi-tool that can remove chain quick links? Well, BlackBurn has. The BlackBurn Tradesman multi-tool is built specifically for cyclists, offering a smart combination of essential tools in one compact, lightweight design. Tipping the scales at just 176 grams, it's easy to carry, but packed with features. Beyond the quick link tool, it includes wrenches for valve work, gear adjustments, spoke tightening, and more. Whether you're out on a casual ride or pushing through tough terrain, it's designed to handle on-the-go repairs with ease. Each tool is precision cut and built to last, with a solid, functional layout that avoids unnecessary bulk. No gimmicks, just what cyclists actually need, when and where they need it. Tuck it in your saddlebag, jersey pocket, or tool roll. The Tradesman is ready whenever something on your bike isn't. If you're tired of overbuilt tools that do everything but what you actually need, the BlackBurn Tradesman is a refreshing, road-ready upgrade. Finally, a multi-tool that understands real riders and their chains. TreeMate, simple support that helps trees grow stronger. The TreeMate is a no-fuss solution designed to help young trees grow safely and naturally, without relying on sensors, electronics, or complicated setups. Instead of high-tech gimmicks, TreeMate uses a simple yet effective support ring system. Its main purpose? To gently limit excessive swaying, which can damage or weaken developing root systems. Unlike rigid supports that hold a tree too tightly, TreeMate allows for natural movement, encouraging roots to anchor more firmly over time. This approach helps the tree become stronger and more resilient as it grows. You can also choose an optional protective cup to shield the base of the trunk from external impacts or pests, adding another layer of smart mechanical support. Designed with simplicity in mind, it's ideal for gardeners, landscapers, or homeowners looking for an affordable, low maintenance way to protect their young trees. The ring alone is priced at just $17, making it both practical and budget friendly. No apps, no batteries, no complications, just a clever mechanical tool that helps trees thrive the way nature intended. With TreeMate, you're not just planting a tree, you're investing in its future. Whizman X Cycloid, the retro power bank that plays while it charges. Charging your phone has never looked this cool. Meet the WhizVapor Whizman X Cycloid magnetic power bank, a gadget that fuses retro futuristic style with real charging power. Its sleek body is decked out in cyberpunk-inspired design, complete with a built-in display that showcases 8-bit graphics. Think charging stats meets pixel art nostalgia. And yes, you can even play simple games directly on the power bank while it powers your gear. Under the hood, it packs a solid 10,000 milliamp hour capacity, enough to recharge most smartphones at least twice. It's magnetically attachable too, so you can snap it onto compatible phones for on-the-go convenience without extra cables. While the core features may be standard, the experience is anything but. From animated battery icons to quirky minigames, the Whizman X Cycloid turns something as ordinary as charging into a moment of fun and flair. Whether you're a retro gaming fan, a design geek, or someone who just wants their tech to stand out, this power bank delivers on both function and fun. Charge smarter. Play while you wait. Look cooler doing it. Yabar Pico T1, the pocket-sized theater redefining portable projection. Chinese innovation continues to impress, and the Yabar Pico T1 is a shining example. This ultra-compact mini projector takes portability to a whole new level, packing serious features into a body that fits in your pocket. Weighing just 150 grams, the Pico T1 is as light as a smartphone, but offers a full-fledged media experience on the go. Its native resolution of 960 by 540 pixels may be modest, but Yabar balances that with smart features like auto calibration, focusing, and image equalization. These enhancements ensure that images are clear, balanced, and properly aligned, even when you're projecting from tight or uneven spaces. Need sound? It's built in. A 1.5-watt speaker is neatly integrated into the device, giving you an all-in-one solution for quick presentations, movie nights, or sharing content on the fly. Designed with travelers, students, and digital nomads in mind, the Pico T1 slips easily into any bag, backpack, or even your pocket. Whether you're presenting in a client's office, relaxing in a hotel room, or entertaining friends outdoors, this projector makes it simple and seamless. Plug it in, point it at a wall or screen, and enjoy. No complicated setup, no bulky hardware, just quick, convenient projection wherever you are. The Yabar Pico T1 proves that big entertainment doesn't need a big device. With smart tech, practical design, and unmatched portability, it's redefining what a projector can be. Pocket-sized, feature-packed, and incredibly versatile, this is your personal theater on the go. Ringstone C1, the smartest smartphone case you've never seen. Imagine turning your phone case into a second screen. Now meet the Ringstone Rink Case C1, a genius innovation straight out of Japan. This isn't just a protective shell. It's the world's first smartphone case with a built-in 4C color e-ink display, giving you a full-color, always-on screen right on the back of your phone. Perfect for displaying your calendar, notes, to-do lists, or even digital art, all without draining your battery. How? It uses NFC technology, meaning it draws both power and data directly from your phone. No cables, no batteries, no recharging needed, and it's as effortless as it is cool. Snap it on, sync it through your phone, and you're ready to turn your phone case into a customizable display tool. Whether you're a productivity junkie or just love showing off your style, this case brings function and flair in one futuristic package. Even better, it's available for just $79 Seoul, making it one of the most affordable and clever upgrades you can add to your smartphone setup. Lightweight, low energy, and seriously eye-catching, the Ringstone C1 isn't just a case. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile accessories. Why settle for boring plastic when your case could do so much more? Ginkgo Smart Accordion Lamp, artistic light meets modern design. The Ginkgo Smart Accordion Lamp is a brilliant blend of functionality, modern design, and space-saving convenience. Created by the British studio Ginkgo Design, This lamp transforms ordinary lighting into a foldable art piece that enhances any room's ambience. What sets the accordion lamp apart is its innovative structure. When not in use, it folds completely flat, taking up virtually no space at all, perfect for small apartments, desks, or travel. But when opened, its shape mimics an accordion, expanding into a beautiful 360-degree glowing sculpture. Its flexible design allows users to reshape it into various configurations, making it a versatile piece of decor. Despite its compact size, this lamp delivers impressive performance. It's battery operated, offering 6 to 8 hours of continuous light on a full charge. This makes it ideal for areas where portability is key, such as outdoor gatherings, bedside lighting, or creative workspaces. Weighing only 350 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. The accordion-style folding mechanism is not only functional, but also a conversation starter, giving your space a modern, artistic touch. It's available in various finishes and colors, so you can match it with your interior theme effortlessly. Beyond its visual charm, the Ginkgo Smart Accordion Lamp represents a smart solution for minimalist living, providing both illumination and aesthetics without taking up unnecessary room. Whether you're decorating a cozy studio, adding a touch of personality to your office, or simply want a light that stands out, this lamp combines style, innovation, and practicality into one compact and beautiful object. Perfect for design lovers and tech-savvy users alike. Bissell Little Green, compact power for tough messes. The Bissell Little Green is a powerful, compact carpet and upholstery cleaner designed to tackle life's messes, big or small, whether at home or in your car. Priced around $130 to $140, it's a go-to tool for anyone looking to handle stains quickly and efficiently without lugging around a full-sized machine. The standard model, the Bissell 1400B, is highly versatile and works wonders on grease, coffee, wine, and other stubborn stains. Its lightweight build makes it perfect for spot cleaning around the house or in your vehicle. It also features a self-cleaning hose and crevice tool, allowing you to reach tight spots with ease. For pet owners, the Little Green Max Pet version steps it up a notch. Slightly larger in size, this model is specially designed to handle paw prints, pet hair, urine, and lingering odors. It's a must-have for anyone with furry friends and messy moments. Both models are easy to use, easy to store, and make quick work of deep cleaning. Whether you're dealing with everyday spills or unexpected accidents, the Bissell Little Green helps you refresh carpets, rugs, furniture, and car interiors with minimal effort. In short, it's a small machine with big cleaning power and a smart investment for keeping your spaces spotless and fresh. Nitecore TM26 Quadre, a tactical flashlight built for power and survival. When the lights go out, whether you're facing a power outage, camping in the wild, or exploring the unknown, the Nitecore TM26 Quadre is the flashlight you'll want in your hand. Engineered for extreme reliability and performance, this compact beast delivers serious illumination and is packed with smart features for survivalists, outdoorsmen, and emergency planners alike. At its core, the TM26 Quadre delivers an impressive beam range of 454 meters, making it ideal for long-range visibility in the darkest environments. It offers 8 operating modes, giving users full control over brightness levels and power usage depending on the situation, from reading maps in a tent to lighting up an entire forest trail. One of its standout features is the Advanced Temperature Regulation (ATR) system. This smart tech automatically adjusts brightness to prevent overheating, aided by heat-dissipating fins that ensure safe, continuous operation. And when the elements get tough, the TM26 holds its own. It's water-resistant up to 2 meters deep and features a toughened mineral glass lens with additional protection against impact or scratching. The built-in OLED display provides real-time data like remaining runtime, battery voltage, and temperature, a rare but powerful feature in flashlights of this class. This ensures you're never caught off guard when you need it most. Despite all these features, the TM26 remains compact and highly portable. It's a perfect match for adventurers, law enforcement, search and rescue teams, and serious preppers. Retailing for around $250, the Nitecore TM26 Quadre isn't just a flashlight. It's a piece of professional gear that's ready for any scenario, from urban blackouts to backcountry survival. In a world full of uncertainties, this is one tool that ensures you're never left in the dark.